Sam, a retro tech nerd, fires up a 1990s camcorder in his 2023 loft, its red record light winking slyly. The viewfinder shows him as a 2023 blackmailer. Snarling threats on extortion tapes, victims' secrets spilling in his voice. The lens fogs with his frantic breath, but he never filmed this. Each recording adds targets, his initials on ransom notes. Reddit sleuths link the camcorder to a 1990s con artist who vanished, his tapes cursed to frame others. Sam's phone buzzes with the victim's plea, his own voice replying. The camcorder whirs unplugged, zooming on his sister's face as the next mark. He laughs it off as a glitch, but shadows flicker in the lens, a gloved hand adjusting focus. Is the con man's ghost rolling the film, or is the camcorder alive, scripting Sam's guilt? The record light blinks faster, the loft's lights dim, a tripod creaks, and a voice hisses, "Action!"